2006 Chevrolet Trailblazer Sport Utility. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas I6, 4.2L 254, 4WD wheel drive, trailer hitch receiver, traction control, electronic stability control, tires front all season, tires rear all season, full-size spare tire, aluminum wheels, power steering, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-on headlights, auto-off headlights, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, cloth seats, bucket seats, driver lumbar, pass-through rear seat, adjustable steering wheel, vehicle anti-theft system, power door locks, power windows, telematics, cruise control, dual zone AC, rear seat heat ducts, AM/FM stereo, CD player, auxiliary power outlet, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, front reading lamps, driver airbag, passenger airbag on off switch,